Lode Rai RDC, Loko District Loko Kaberemaido, Ronald Katende, Ngesta Polo Kint Aina Petanu, Eutada Ai Tota Kironukada Aikor Abaluan.
They have passed out 900 farmers that have undergone a very holistic training in matters of soil conservation, water harvesting, and modern technologies in regard to modern agriculture. I've urged them to own the program because it's really tailored to PDM concept, which PDM is a government program that is endeavored to the 39% active poor Ugandans.
Konyele yaita na ptanu karu jonukin akironu kotomno district loko Kaberemaido Joseph Erienyo ngese balada ebe etutuosikes Akoriok kotomna na petanu egitigita tete keny epedrete aingara nikeche kalia koseda nyunda ebe perete Akoru ne nyamatulwe nyambete kesi kededa lude perete kwesi agwelar adumuni sirigin kotomna da okalia kech.
What I expect from them, since we have gone on a comprehensive training on farmer field school methodology and watershed management approaches, we expect them to transform from what we have taught them to practice, so that in a nearby future there will be a transformed community and they will not be suffering from problems like food insecurity, malnutrition, and will be having enough income to upbring their families.
Loda darro ko yata kroni kamna keda Akoru kotomno district loko Kaberemaido Samuel Etwamu ngesalim daibe raiborene joka no kanyu daibe irio ngeta lumame gonga ina keda pugane pedote aingara ni kesi ko wailo kada ai tutor Akoriok ajaut keda ai jen nada a job.
Go and do whatever they have been learning and put it on ground. As a district local government, we pledge our support to help them in further linkages with the research, with other development partners, so that we put together what they have been learning as class on ground.
Akoriok ichelwe gitikira lopoto pedos enerai nepipeke de TV East kesda pot kolim to daebe ada utukwesa dumun aije na de bet aingarai ni kesi ide raun kwa nai moi sirigin kosreda aitanyanyar akironi kamna keda keche kor
tara chuno kala ko nyali ben atara chuno modonga ikal do nandi do udu puonyere itongo chama tongo ilayu ena mi ko udo chami be do nando atekere ngecha tut amako puru kadi ko Mexico poto liado kona dugu state na do wilo ya
omi atiko ura loka ber ipuonyera wano puonyo me kadifa omi atikira yo maitie ya udo puonyera tu ko udo puonyera romo angiedo do puru me pita legidi apita tereto ni apita legidi ba yesa na hata ura legidi ba lipito
ko ino konya doke mia aro bitu majam na yepona ber aro pur balada na rie kado puonyere akubino wodo ameda alobe kati teach ni pur
kotomo na itutuoro na potda Akoriok kitorto kutoma keze mora tos kanuka nyunebe perte aiswa maun ikiala ludi tosa maita kitonu kidioko araba totol kanuka da yun ikito mamda ejepio tai akironu kaidar alupo tete kenye salete ejoka kanuka da itopolori nyamat kusoda nyunebe me kurio tai narai adidingaros alupo kuni toso maite tunga kesi kotomo ni boreche aponi oinaina Akoriok da aijen aitiji adeka sine nepepeke dikur luitipaste Akoriok kesda iboriche luda pot Akoriok kodumta itutuoro kech Michael Onyenge TV East ko Kaberemaido District.